Hi guys, let's see today's problem. 8 candidates Doraemon, Nobita, Shizuka, Jian, Sunio, Dekisuki, Dorami, and Nobisuke are to be interviewed for admission to a management program. The interviews are to be conducted on the same day at regular intervals of 40 minutes, starting from 1:40 pm. There are 4 engineers, 1 doctor, 2 commerce graduates, and 1 arts graduate. Then there's some additional information. If Jian is a commerce graduate who comes at 5:40 pm, which of the following need not be true? If Dorami, a commerce grad with 99.87, comes at 2:20 pm, then which of the following must be true? If Dorami is an engineer who's immediately followed by Sunio, then which of the following must be true? If Sunio comes at 4:20 and Dorami at 5:40, then which of the following need not be true? Okay, so do you remember we had solved one of the matrix, the tabular arrangement, where there were a couple of males. They used to play different sports and stay in different cities with their wives of different profession. I think it sounds a little bit similar to that, but let's see. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so there are 8 candidates. Let me just write their names here: Doraemon, Nobita, Shizuka, Jian, Sunio, Dekisugi, Dorami, and Nobisuke. And these people are coming at intervals of 40 minutes each. So there are 8 slots. It starts at 1:40 pm. Hence the next one will be at 2:20 pm, 40 minutes after 1:40. Then 3 pm, 3:40 pm, 4:20 pm, 5 pm, 5:40 pm, and 6:20 pm. Okay. Now we know that there are 4 engineers. I'm just writing 4 E's over here. There is 1 doctor, there are 2 commerce graduates, and there is 1 arts graduate. Okay. Now, neither the first nor the last interviewee is an engineer. Okay. So this guy cannot be an engineer, and even this person cannot be an engineer. The doctor, Shizuka. So Shizuka is a doctor. Cannot come before 5 pm. Hence, Shizuka comes over here at either slot number 7 or 8. The engineer with a 98.35 percentile comes at 3 pm. Okay, so this person is an engineer, comes at with 98.35 percentile. We don't know who this person is. Still just crossing out one engineer. Nobita comes at 3:40 pm. So Nobita comes here. He has a score of 98.87 in his dreams. Now, Dekisuki is an engineer who has scored 99.43 percentile. Dekisuki has scored, he's an engineer, scored 99.43 percentile. One more engineer done. Now, Nobisuke is an arts graduate with a 99.97 percentile. And Doraemon is a commerce graduate who comes at 5 pm. Okay, so we have 2 engineers and 1 commerce person left. Doraemon is coming at 5 pm. We don't know his percentile, but that's okay. Okay. Now, what we can determine is that so the doctor has to be in 7 or 8 as given over here. So if 8th is occupied by the doctor, the 7th can be occupied by any of the 3. But in the first place, it can only be possible to place a commerce graduate or an arts graduate. Just writing C/A over here. One commerce person is already done. And If we decide to place the commerce person over here, then the doctor will go here and arts will be in the first place. So there can be multiple permutations and combinations. So I think we should just get started with the questions. Otherwise, we'll take a lot of time in forming different kind of arrangements. First question. If Jian is a commerce graduate who comes at 5:40 p.m., which of the following need not be true? Jian is I'm writing this in green. Jian is a commerce graduate. He comes at 5:40 p.m. Okay, so you can see two commerce people are done. Hence, I'll place doctor over here. That is Shizuka, which means this person is an arts person. That is, what's his name? Nobisuke. Do we know anything about Jian? No. Then these four would be engineers. And we just know that Nobisuke's percentile is 99.97. I'm just placing it over here. Who all are left? We are left with Dekisuki, Dorami and Sunio. So these three people, Dekisuki can be at 5 or 2 and Dorami and Sunio could be at either of the positions. Let's see the options. Which of the following need not be true? Shizuka comes at 6:20 p.m. Yeah, she's a doctor. Doctor is coming at the end. This is true. Nobisuke comes at 1:40 p.m. Yes, arts graduate. Tekisuke comes at 4:20 p.m. Let's just check. He can come at 4:20 also. He can come at 2:20 also. There are two possibilities for him. So this is not really true. Just for our sake, I'm checking the fourth option. Dorami comes before Doraemon. Now Dorami is an engineer. She can come at slot number 2, 3 or 5. And Doraemon is coming at 6. So she is definitely before Doraemon. Correct answer is option number 3. Now question 2. Let me just quickly erase this. Okay. If Dorami, a commerce grad with 99.87 percentile, comes at 2:20 p.m., then which of the following must be true? Dorami is coming at 2:20 p.m. She is a commerce person with a percentile of 99.27, right? Oh, sorry, 99.87. Okay. So two commerce grads are done. Same thing, arts would be here, doctor would be here, the rest of the folks would be engineers. And these four people could be, one engineer is Nobita, the other one would be Dekisuki, and we can place Sunio and Jian in the other remaining slots. Which of the following must be true? Dekisuki comes at 5:40 p.m. Let's check. Dekisuki can come at 5:40 also, he can come at 4:20 also, because there are two places empty for him. So not really true. Nobisuke comes at 4:20 p.m. No, arts graduate, he's the first person to enter. Nobita is an engineer. I think this was already established, if I'm not wrong. No, it was not established, but through this arrangement, yeah, Nobita is an engineer who's coming at 3:40 p.m. So this is correct. Nobita comes at 3 p.m. No, Nobita comes at 3:40 p.m. Hence, correct option is option number 3. Now for question 3. If Dorami is an engineer who's immediately followed by Sunio, then which of the following must be true? Okay. Dorami is an engineer who's immediately followed by Sunio. Now let's see where can we place Dorami. We can't place her in slot 1 because slot 1 cannot be an engineer. We can place her in slot 2. So if Dorami is here, Sunio will be here. We can't place her in 3 because 4 is occupied by Nobita. Can't place her in 4th as well. We cannot place her in 5th because 6th is Doraemon and Sunio has to follow her. We can't place her in 7th because if she's an engineer, then 8th one has to be occupied by the doctor only. And anyway, the last person can't be in. So there's only one space for her. That is slot number 2. Now, Dorami is an engineer. What are they asking? Followed by Sunio. Then which of the following must be true? Okay. Do we know anything about Dorami? No. Okay. Dekisuki comes at 4:20 p.m. Let's see. Now to place Dekisuki, we just have 2 empty slots. That is slot number 5 and slot number 7. So not really sure. Can't comment. There are at least 3 people who have scored more than Sunio. Sunio has scored 98.35. Other scores are 98.87. More. Dekisuke has scored 99.43 and Nobisuke has scored 99.97. Yeah, 3 people have definitely scored more than him. So this is correct. Shizuka is the last person to be interviewed. She could also be the 7th one, that is the second last. So not sure. Nobisuke is the first person to be interviewed. Again, we don't know. It could be a commerce grad as well. So it must be true. It's option number 2. Now the last one. If Sunio comes at 4:20 p.m. and Dorami at 5:40, then which of the following need not be true? So if Sunio comes at 4:20 and Dorami at 5:40. Sunio, Dorami. Hence, this is Shizuka. She is a doctor. They have not mentioned if Sunio or Dorami are engineers or commerce grads, but let's see. Let's just look at the options. Which of the following need not be true? Jian scored a 98.35. Okay, so by this logic, they are trying to place Jian over here, right? Let's see who all are left. We are left with Jian, we are left with Dekisuki, and we are left with Nobisuke. Okay, so Dekisuki definitely can't apply the first, can't be in the first slot because he's an engineer. So only empty remaining slot is this one for him. Now, Nobisuke is an arts graduate. He has to be the first one, which means because I cannot place Jian over here. If I place Jian over here, then I don't have any other place for Nobisuke. I can't place Nobisuke in slot number 3 because slot 3 is occupied by an engineer. Hence, slot 3 is for Jian, which means this option is correct. Nobita is an engineer. Nobita is here. Let's just see how many engineers and commerce people are yet left. We have 2 engineers. We need to place 2 more engineers and 1 commerce grad. 1, 2, 3. We really don't know. He could be an engineer, he could not be an engineer. So this is not correct. Shizuka comes more than 4 hours after Nobisuke. Nobisuke comes at 1:40 p.m. So 4 hours more would be 5:40 p.m. So yes, more than 4 hours because she's coming at the end. She's coming at 6:20. So this statement is correct. Dekisuki comes at 2:20 p.m. Yes, Dekisuki comes at 2:20 p.m. which means our correct answer is option number 2. Let's see the answers. 3, 3, 2, 2. 3, 3, 2, 2. Correct. So overall, extremely time consuming set. We had to constantly form a new arrangement basis the question. Also, there was lots of variables, hence lots of confusion. A little bit of confusing names also. So I would highly recommend to solve this set at the end if you have time, or else to skip it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.